Log analysis is the activity of reviewing and interpreting log files generated by computer systems, networks, applications, or devices to extract any useful information from those logs. The main objectives of log analysis include: 1. Security monitoring. It involves detecting and investigating security incidents by identifying suspicious activities, unauthorized access attempts, malware infections, or other malicious behavior recorded in the logs. 2. Troubleshooting and debugging. It involves diagnosing and resolving issues by analyzing error messages, warnings, and other anomalies logged by systems, applications, or devices. 3. Performance optimization. It involves identifying bottlenecks, inefficiencies, or resource constraints by analyzing performance metrics and usage patterns logged by systems or applications. 4. Compliance and auditing. It involves ensuring adherence to regulatory requirements, industry standards, or organizational policies by analyzing log data to demonstrate compliance and facilitate auditing. Here is the phase of log analysis from an incident response perspective. The collecting phase involves the gathering of log data from various sources within a system or network. This phase is fundamental as it forms the foundation for subsequent analysis and interpretation of the data. Parsing refers to the process of extracting relevant information from raw log entries to create structured data that can be easily analyzed and interpreted. Raw log entries typically contain a wealth of information, including timestamps, event types, user IDs, IP addresses, error codes, and other details. Parsing helps to organize this unstructured data into a structured format, making it easier to search, query, and analyze. The investigating in log analysis refers to the process of examining log data in detail to understand the root cause, context, and impact of events or incidents recorded in the logs. This phase involves deep analysis, correlation of events, and tracing of activities to uncover anomalies, security breaches, system failures, or other noteworthy occurrences. Reporting in log analysis involves the process of summarizing and presenting findings, insights, and actionable recommendations derived from the analysis of log data. It serves as a means of communicating the results of log analysis to various stakeholders within an organization, including management, IT teams, security teams, and other relevant parties. Let's learn. Here is the case. Answer the question. Just practice. In this phase, we must ensure that all the logs from the compromised system have been collected on the security analyst's local computer. In the parsing phase, actually there is a Windows Event Log Fast Forensics timeline generator and threat hunting tool, named Hayabusa. Then we will use it to parse all the logs. This command will create a winlog.csv file that contains all the timeline data from the logs. This option refers to the log severity that needs to be extracted with the Hayabusa. Here is the output from the Hayabusa scan. In the investigating phase, we are using Timeline Explorer to read the Hayabusa extracted winlog.csv file that contains the log's timeline in the Windows event logs. Let's perform the investigation. Based on the investigation, we can obtain information like this. The series of events indicates a sophisticated malware infection process. The initial infection through the driver printer.exe file led to the disabling of antivirus protection, execution of the malicious file, and subsequent downloading and running of additional payloads. The malware established communication with external servers, likely for remote control or data exfiltration.